Welcome everybody to today's version of Tsarpthata. Yesterday we were pronouncing it with a P, but as you can clearly tell, there's no P. So first off, we're gonna have JT, and we're also gonna have Sam. Both are in the coding club and make lots of games. So introduce yourselves.
Hi.
I like cheese.
I'm talking. Hi. I'm not special whatsoever.
Okay, so today's episode is going to be about the in brackets. So the theme for this month is anybody going to make a game? The winner of last month, and stuff like that. So first off, Sam, we kind of talked about this last episode, but are you going to make a game for the new in brackets? That was directed to you, Sam. We'll move on. JT, are you going to make a game for the next in brackets?
Maybe. I don't know. I just sometimes I'm like, I don't want to do this, and I'm like, ooh, I want to do this, and then I do it in 2 hours, and yeah.
So you're one of those last minute cram in game type of person.
I can do it. I just have to be in the right mood. It's hard to explain.
Okay, so Sam, going back to you, are you gonna make a game?
I said yes, but my audio wasn't working.
Oh, okay. Well, no problem. So you're gonna make a game. Do you have a possible idea, or?
Yeah, it's already in the making.
Oh, okay, good. Also, if you don't know, I'm working on a game. It's called an Oyo Halloween, where you get to play as Kidoyo characters.
You should to submit that because you started working on it before the game jam.
True that.
So,
I believe it's still in the rules. I have consulted with Mr. Ferrara, and he says it's fine. So it's gonna be a fun one. I know lots of people are making games for the festive season. JT, you already worked on a sort of Halloween game, right?
Yeah, I did. I did do that.
That's cool. If nobody people don't know, the theme is trick or treat. So any real Halloween game will probably pass, but try to stick to the idea of trick or treating. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And how do you? What?
Can you make a game of Santa Claus?
Maybe. How do you people feel about a sixth grader winning last month for the in brackets?
I feel horrible, violated, disrespected, spat out in the face multiple times. I feel like I was jumped on the street and people just watched and laughed.
That's a very strong opinion. How do you feel, Sam?
No comment, because Mr. Ferrara said no bullying.
Okay. If you do not know, a girl by the name of Mia won, so she is in sixth grade. I think that's very cool because it's introducing the sixth graders to not just the in brackets, but also to coding. So I think that will be very good. Well, do you make animations in coding?
Yeah.
Do you make art in coding? I believe any step towards game creation is coding. This is a long discussion, but you don't need to type things for it to be coding, as we know with Hatch and Scratch. Next topic. What do you people think the next in brackets theme is going to be after trick or treat?
Changing seasons could be pretty cool.
When does it end?
Cause like
Probably beginning of December.
December?
November. Good old November.
I'm gonna assume giving thanks.
Giving thanks. That's a good one.
Maybe turkey slaughtering. I don't know.
Okay, that's quite a theme. Okay, so you think they're gonna go with the festive season again?
Probably. I mean, nothing is really in November besides Thanksgiving.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
Hanukkah this year.
Wow, that's a possibility. So anybody want to explain more what their game's gonna be about, or give a teaser, kind of?
Give a teaser. So pretty much you walk around the neighborhood, getting candy. And the more candy you get, the better skins that you could buy, and the better neighborhoods you can move to. And that gives upgrades your chances of getting candy. But you can also trick and steal candy, so you'll be able to get more candy at once, but it's a lower percent if you do it.
Well, I think I've heard of that game before.
I thought of it by myself.
You did. You really did. Wow, that's real funny. Because, I might be able to help you out with coding for this one. Because, I've made games exactly like it.
Chances.
What are the chances? When did you come up with this idea?
I actually came up with it today.
Today!
It's completely original though. Yeah, I didn't steal anything.
Okay. I believe they don't allow plagiarism, but as long as it's not close to any other games, I think JT's game is kind of like it, but not saying anything. Yeah, watch out for that. Is it like you walk? Like, is there controlled movements, or is it just you pressing a button?
Well, different from other games that I definitely did not take inspiration from. It's gonna be advanced controlled movements. And it's gonna be like a 3D scrolling thingy, like a top view on
3D.
top. So it's gonna be better than any game that I have ever played, because the game that I did not get inspiration off this was very horrible and had 10-minute ads. So
10-minute ads. I don't know who would add. So did it advertise other products to you?
no, it just advertised buying things in the game.
It advertised buying things. See, in my game, I don't ever do that. So I don't know whose game that is, but
I think you do it the shop button.
Huh?
I think you do it the shop button. You tell people to
I
check
do
on
have a shop button, but that is good.
Encouraging people.
Well, great to hear what you're gonna do. JT, do you have any idea of a game you might work on?
Well, I might do like a up game. Because those are pretty cool.
Okay, that's an idea. Have you made games like that in the past?
I don't know. I don't remember. Hold on. Like, I found this thing.
Okay. Does anybody
Like,
have
5 minutes so I can find this thing.
Okay. Was anybody So, one of our last topics today, has anyone have any good coding tips to share in our coding tips section?
Well, in the description, Andrew will hopefully add my tips and tricks video on Hatch about how to use things like the point editor. So
I will remember to add that this time. Last time the description was, I forgot what I was going to put here. So we won't do that again. But yes, I will link my game and Sam's how to use the point editor tutorial. So, anyone have anything else to say, or you think it's time to wrap it up?
JT needs a few more minutes to see if he made any more games.
I found the thing that I want to base it on.
Okay. Do you want me to put it in the description for everyone to look at, or?
Yeah, I'll link it.
Okay. So, it's been fun, everybody. And we will record another one of these tomorrow night. So, stay tuned.